Did you know that your birth year's last digit could have a secret that will totally change your life? That's right. Buddhist philosophy holds a surprising fact about a seemingly ordinary number, and today you're about to learn something new about this number that actually holds a mystical power. Imagine that this ordinary number could impact your luck, your inner path, and even your individual success. Sound absurd? Get ready for a challenge, because what we're about to reveal could be precisely what you have been in search of. And no, it's not a theory at all, but a deep-rooted fact in centuries-old Buddhist wisdom. If you're one of those who believe nothing happens by chance, then you can't miss a single minute of this video, because a lot of your questions' answers could be hidden in plain view. And the best part is that you're about to discover it first. Before starting this unveiling journey, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. That way, you won't miss any life-changing content. Also, leave a comment below with the mantra, "I attract wealth and intelligence," to introduce positive energies into your life. Buddhist philosophy is full of symbolism, and in it, numbers have a key role, representing an integral part of an age-old practice for Buddhist believers. For them, numbers don't represent mere math symbols, but carriers of spiritual charge, each with its specific meaning and impact. Ever since times immemorial, Buddhist monks have considered that certain numbers have a key role in opening doors towards alternative dimensions, connecting the material plane with the spiritual one. Such a view turns the simple concept of numbers into something much deeper and more complex, regarded as a key toward discovering life and the universe's essence. In such a view, each number carries a specific vibration that can impact personality, fate, and even obstacles a person will face in life. Your birth year's last digit, in particular, is considered an energetic mark that stays with you for your whole life. Through studying such numbers, one can decode sequences and behaviors that could have gone unnoticed but become apparent and revealing with such information. This practice helps an individual gain a deeper understanding of one's individual path and why one experiences certain events. Buddhism, through centuries, has placed a big emphasis on living in harmony with surrounding energies. Part of this harmony comes from understanding how numbers impact our lives. Knowing the meaning of your birth year's last digit allows you to become aware of the powers at work in your life path and, in a simple and effective manner, work them in your life's favor. This doesn't mean that we're completely controlled by these numbers, but simply that knowing them helps make wiser and more conscious choices in tune with one's inner essence. Understanding Buddhist philosophy and its meaning in terms of numbers isn't a mere curiosity, but a profound practice. In Buddhist thought, 0 embodies emptiness and limitless possibility, marking both endings and beginnings in a self-completing cycle. People whose birth years end in 0 often feel deeply connected to themes of transformation, frequently encountering pivotal life transitions where they must embrace change. Their relationship with emptiness often grants them exceptional ability to discover serenity and understanding within turbulent situations. These individuals frequently excel at discovering innovative approaches to challenges, identifying potential where others see roadblocks. While this perspective helps them handle difficulties with flexibility and openness, the constant renewal energy can be both advantageous and challenging. These individuals might sometimes experience feelings of being trapped in circular patterns, continuously beginning anew without reaching completion. To effectively channel 0's energy, they must develop patience and faith in life's natural progression, recognizing that endings lead to new starts. In Buddhist philosophy, The number 1 symbolizes independence and guidance, embodying initiative and the power to begin new ventures with resolve. Those born in years ending in 1 typically exhibit strong personalities and seek to create unique paths. They often emerge as trailblazers in their chosen fields, continuously pursuing innovation and fresh challenges. These individuals naturally gravitate toward leadership roles, capable of energizing others with their insights and determination. The energy of 1 brings assertiveness and self-assurance, enabling them to surmount obstacles and reach significant achievements. Their clear goal orientation and willingness to make difficult choices drive their success. However, their independent nature can create difficulties in relationships and team settings. These individuals must strike a balance between personal strength and collaborative effort, learning to recognize others' input and work effectively in groups. In Buddhist perspective, 2 represents duality and equilibrium, symbolizing the interplay of opposing forces. Individuals born in years ending in 2 naturally gravitate toward creating peace and balance. They possess heightened awareness of others' needs and cherish interpersonal connections. These people often serve as diplomats and reconcilers, working to resolve disagreements and foster cooperation. Their ability to understand multiple perspectives enables fair decision-making and helps them create harmonious environments. Yet, this persistent pursuit of harmony might lead them to avoid necessary conflict or neglect their own needs. Learning to express their desires and viewpoints confidently while maintaining peace becomes crucial. Finding equilibrium between giving and receiving proves essential for their complete self-actualization and relationships with others. In Buddhist philosophy, the number 3 connects with creativity and self-expression, symbolizing the unity of body, mind, and spirit. Individuals born in years ending in 3 typically possess dynamic creative energy and gravitate toward artistic and communicative pursuits, finding fulfillment in expressing thoughts and emotions innovatively. Generally outgoing and personable, they naturally connect with others. Their energy radiates joy and optimism, often uplifting those around them, and they excel at transforming ordinary moments into meaningful experiences. However, this creative force can sometimes lead to scattered focus. These individuals need to learn to direct their creativity productively and follow through on projects. Practicing meditation and mindfulness can help them balance creative freedom with the discipline needed for achievement. The number 4 symbolizes natural elements: earth, water, fire, air, and cardinal directions, representing universal structure and order. People born in years ending in 4 tend to be pragmatic, methodical, and focused on building strong foundations across all life aspects. They typically demonstrate strong work ethics and responsibility, pursuing goals with determination. Known for reliability and dedication, they value security and longevity in their endeavors. While 4 brings focus and persistence for overcoming challenges, the drive for stability might lead to inflexibility. These individuals must balance their security needs with adaptability, recognizing change as part of life to achieve dynamic stability. In Buddhist thought, 5 represents freedom and adventure, symbolizing movement, change, and experience seeking. Those born in years ending in 5 typically display restless curiosity, constantly pursuing growth and exploration. They value independence and self-determination, often appearing as free spirits with energetic enthusiasm. They excel in dynamic settings and welcome challenges requiring adaptability and creativity. Though 5 brings innovation and versatility, enabling smooth navigation through various situations, the constant pursuit of novelty might hinder commitment. These individuals must balance freedom with establishing meaningful roots, finding stability within change to create both rich and meaningful lives. The number 6 in Buddhist philosophy embodies love, compassion, and service, representing harmonious relationships across family, friendship, and community. People born in years ending in 6 often become natural caregivers with strong social responsibility. Driven by helping others, they typically display kindness and empathy, creating peaceful environments. Their nurturing energy makes them emotional pillars in their communities, with a special ability to balance others' needs with their own. However, their caring nature might lead to self-sacrifice. These individuals must learn to balance nurturing others with self-care, ensuring their own needs are met to sustain their supportive roles effectively. 7 symbolizes spirituality and introspection in Buddhist philosophy, representing the search for inner wisdom and deeper world understanding. Those born in years ending in 7 tend toward philosophical thought and spiritual or metaphysical interests. Driven by desire to understand life's mysteries and find meaning, they often appear wise and contemplative, naturally perceiving beyond surface appearances. The number 7 brings depth and wisdom, enabling thoughtful exploration of existence's complex questions with serenity. These individuals gravitate toward spiritual studies, meditation, and inner growth practices. However, their intense meaning-seeking can lead to isolation from everyday life. They must balance spiritual pursuits with worldly responsibilities, avoiding complete withdrawal from external interactions. By merging spiritual wisdom with practical living, they can achieve an enlightened yet grounded lifestyle. In Buddhist philosophy, 8 represents power, abundance, and material manifestation, symbolizing harmony between spiritual and physical realms and indicating material success. Those born in years ending in 8 tend to be driven, determined, and goal-oriented. They possess natural leadership abilities and talent for generating prosperity. Often viewed as visionaries, they excel at transforming concepts into reality. 8 brings organizational energy and efficiency, enabling skilled management of complex tasks. They deeply understand causality, using this insight to build prosperous lives. However, their pursuit of power and material success might create imbalance, with excessive focus on external achievements potentially compromising spiritual and emotional well-being. These individuals must balance ambitions with deeper purpose, aligning achievements with core values to attain genuine abundance and fulfillment. 9 symbolizes completion, wisdom, and universal compassion in Buddhist philosophy, marking cycle endings and new phase beginnings. People born in years ending in 9 typically display idealism and strong desire to serve humanity. Driven by a sense of purpose, they often dedicate themselves to humanitarian causes. Generally perceived as inherently wise, they intuitively understand others' needs and suffering. 9 brings empathetic and altruistic energy, enabling positive world transformation. They gravitate toward promoting social justice, equality, and global healing. However, their strong mission focus may lead to excessive self-sacrifice or taking on others' burdens. These individuals must learn self-care alongside caring for others, balancing world service with personal, emotional, and spiritual needs to maintain sustainable and fulfilling contribution. Understanding your birth year's final digit offers insight into personal life patterns. Each number carries unique energy influencing behavior, choices, and challenges. Examining recurring life situations, behavior patterns, successes, and difficulties through this lens can reveal how these numbers shape your journey and serve as tools for self-discovery and growth. This numerical connection provides opportunity for deeper reflection. For instance, if your number suggests leadership or spiritual inclination, consider how these traits manifest in daily life and how to better balance their energy. This awareness brings clarity and direction, helping align actions with authentic purpose. The next step involves practical application of this knowledge, using it to foster positive change. If your number indicates need for stability, consider adding structure to projects or relationships. If it suggests creative energy, explore new expressive or innovative paths. The key lies in applying these insights to harmonize life's various aspects, personal, professional, and spiritual, enabling more conscious living and enhanced goal achievement for a more fulfilled existence. Understanding your birth year's final digit calls for harmonizing its energy with spiritual practices and mantras that amplify positive qualities and create balance. Buddhist philosophy provides various techniques to align with your number's energy, including meditation, visualization, and specific mantra repetition. These practices strengthen positive number-associated traits while helping overcome potential challenges. For those whose numbers connect with stability, grounding meditation practices can enhance security and balance. Those with numbers linked to creativity might benefit from mantras encouraging free expression and idea flow. Each number resonates with specific vibrations. Using corresponding mantras deepens purpose connection and enhances harmonious manifestation abilities. Daily practice integration powerfully aligns you with your number's energy and potential. Set aside time for meditation, mantra recitation, or reflection on your number's influence on decisions and actions. A simple daily affirmation like, "I live in harmony with my number's energy," helps maintain focus and clarity. This practice aligns with Buddhist philosophy while creating space for ongoing spiritual development and self-discovery. If this resonates with you, like this video, subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's build a community of seekers who are ready to transform their lives with the timeless wisdom of Buddhist philosophy. Remember, the journey to self-discovery is ongoing. By aligning with your number's energy, you can unlock your true potential and live a life of harmony, abundance, and fulfillment.